Hello students, now it is the time for your English language class. So we are in the chapter 6. The story name is Shipwrecked, from the Adventures of Robinson Crusoe by the famous author Daniel Defoe. We already read the chapter, the story. Well, I think you all read it well, and now in our previous class I already discussed the objective type questions, answers, and the word meaning of the story. Now today I am going to discuss the question answers and reference to the context. Okay, so you all get ready with your class copy and pen, and you all write all the question answers in your copy, and then try to memorize it. Okay, so let us start. Answer the following questions. Why the narrator's ship changed its course? During the voyage, there was a violent tornado came from the north, and 2 crew members were washed overboard, and soon the ship began to leak. To get rid of the more violent thunderstorm, the ship changed its course. Question number 2. How the narrator saved himself from the devastating thunderstorm? Answer. The narrator and his 3 co-travelers managed to get a small lifeboat and rowed it with a great effort, but soon it sank, and the narrator threw towards the shore by the powerful waves and thus saved. Okay. Next, question 3. Where the narrator took shelter after he reached the shore? Answer. In the dark night, after reaching the shore, the narrator thought it was not safe to lying on the sand. So he crawled to the tree and climbed up. Then he took shelter between its 2 great branches. Next, question 4. Why did the narrator plunge into the sea to reach the broken ship? On the lonely island, the narrator had nothing for his daily need. So he swam to the broken ship, thinking to get some of the needs. Now, question 5. Which daily needs the narrator brought from the broken ship? The narrator brought food like bread, rice, cheese, sugar, flour, etc., and clothes from the broken ship for his daily need. Question 6. How he brought those things to the shore? The narrator collected broken masts, torn sails, pieces of rope, etc. from the ship, and with the help of an axe made a small raft. Raft means boat. Can you remember? Okay. Then he found out a broken oar and piled all things on the raft and rowed to the shore again. Next, question 7. Which were the precious things the narrator found in the wooden boxes? In one of the wooden boxes, the answer is in one of the wooden boxes in the broken ship, the narrator found gold and silver coins, although they were precious but no use in the lonely island. Okay. Next, question 8. How the narrator built a house in the isolated island. He cut down tree trunks and built strong stockade to protect himself from wild animals, and used one sail from the broken ship for the roof. Question 9. From where the narrator found fruits to eat? Which were those? The narrator found a delightful valley at the other side of the land, and there he found wild grapes and lime. Just a second. Which he collected enough to eat. Next. Which animal the narrator found to tame and from where? Answer. The narrator found some wild goats in the forest. He picked up a baby goat. Within a few days it became tamed. Next question 11. In the isolated island, what he learned to make? In the isolated island, to live well, he learned to make pots with mud and make them hard by burning. He learned to grow wheat, rice, corn, etc. and made bread too. He learned to make house and boat too. Question 12. After dwelling about 2 years, which thing made the narrator astonished? After about 2 years, one day when the narrator walking along the seashore, he noticed a clear footprint of another man on the sand. That astonished him. Next is reference to the context. Question 1. I plunged into the sea and made for the ship. At last, after a hard swim, I managed to reach it and discovered a rope hanging over the side. Question A. From where these lines are taken? Name the author. The above lines are taken from the story Shipwrecked from the novel Robinson Crusoe. The author is Daniel Defoe, an English writer. Next B. What does it mean to make for something? The meaning of make for is move towards here. The narrator plunged into the sea to reach to the broken ship. See, what did he find on the ship? In the broken ship, he found broken mast, torn sails, pieces of rope, axe, broken wood, some food like bread, rice, cheese and some clothes. Next, 2. From there, I could see that I was on an island. I was a prisoner, without a friend in the world. There was no one living on the island but wild beasts. A. Who is I referred to here? Here I is the narrator and main character of the story and the novel Robinson Crusoe. B. Who is Crusoe talking to her? Here Crusoe talking to himself in the lonely deserted island. C. What does he mean by from there? Here from there means a little hill on the shore. What made him call himself a prisoner? By nature, human being is social. A person can't live without another. When Crusoe found himself alone in the isolated island, the sudden lonely feeling made himself call as a prisoner. Question 3. What use are you to me? I asked. Everyone in the world deserves you but me. A. Who is the you in these lines? In the above lines, you is referred to a gold and silver coins, the most precious things in the world. B. What does everyone in the world desire it? Why does everyone in the world desire it? As gold and silver are two precious things in the world, their value is the reason which make them desired by everyone. See, how do you think Crusoe feels at this point? A feeling of helplessness captured Crusoe at this point. When survival is the major thing, then what is the use of gold and silver? Okay, so here is another question. What does the author want us to learn from Crusoe's experience on the island? The message of Robinson Crusoe is survival. Or it can be said we can do anything for existence. When he first arrived on the island, it was barren and like a prison. As he explored the island and learned to live in it, he learned to survive. Okay, this is the main message of this story. So this much for today's class, and we completed this chapter. You all please copy these questions in your class copy, question answers, and memorize it well. Okay, so till the next class, bye.